Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day outside and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have for you guys actually a super exciting video. I feel like I always say I have a special video coming out, but I swear this one is worth the time. And I actually got a package from Bayson R today, so let's go check it out. And before we get today's video started, I want to give a big shout out to the crew at Bayson R for shipping out this grill to me. And if you guys are curious, Bayson R is actually a really small company based in San Jose, California. They just don't make kits for the Subaru, they actually make kits for a lot of other platforms. What I really like about Bayson R is that each package they ship out, they make sure it's safe. They always have the fragile sticker on and an obnoxious amount of popcorn. You need a lip for your Lamborghini Aventador? Got it. Need stuff for your Honda? Got it. You need stuff for your Toyota Sienna? Got it. And if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link to the website in the description below. And if you guys are seeing this channel for the very first time today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. And let's get started with today's video.
Right now we are headed to the new location we're going to be working on. Sadly, we don't have the shop anymore, but we're going to be working on the install with one of my old homies from high school actually. It's raining! My car's going to be so dirty after this ride. This guy is actually one of the closest homies. Ever since we met, him and his whole family have always treated me hospitality. Shout out to those guys. Alright, we're going to be at the new workshop for today, and so we're going to unbox the new package we got from Bayson R. Sheesh. Oh. What's really cool is they actually sent out a license plate frame cover I didn't even know about, so might as well just throw it on the car as well. Next thing we're going to do is remove the bumper, and we have 6 bolts and 3 clips we have to remove to do this. And all the bolts on here that are all 10 mil, so everything's going to come off easily. And we're going to put this trim on the side. The process is going to be same on the bottom of the bumper too. There's going to be a few screws and a few clips you guys are going to have to detach. So to take the bumper off, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the bumper outside towards the wheel so we don't damage anything. And same for the other side. Alright, so we got the bumper off. Next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take off these screws. I believe there is 8 of them. So we're going to have to take all the screws off, and then we're going to have to mess with these tabs for a little bit.
after we get all the screws off, we're going to have to depress these clips. Alright, with a little bit of wrestling with the grill, we finally got it off, and now to the new JDM grill. What's really cool that Bayson R provides, they provide you some new mounting plates for your emblems, but if you want to be cool like me, I'm going to run it emblemless. Alright guys, we got the new JDM grill on from Bayson R. Let me know what you guys think of this grill. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like the install for today. And what we're going to do with all the hardware we use, we're going to go put it back. So those 8 screws, we're going to go replace those. Alright, we have the new grill on and the bumper put back on. Out of a 10 difficulty, this is actually a 4. The only thing that sucks is putting the bumper back on. I'd like to give a big shout out to my friend Riley for helping with the install. Alright everybody, we are done with the video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Wow. Dude, what?